Good morning and welcome to today's class. We've treated at least three statements. The first one we treated was what? Print. The second one is let, isn't it? And the third one was end. Do you understand it now? So now we want to write a little program such that we want every time we just ask the user to input two numbers, it will calculate it automatically for him. Do you understand it now? So how can we make use of this? If you want to prompt the user to input a value, you will tell the user, use the statement called input. This statement called input. Do you understand it now? We make use of the statement called what? Input. The input, the input statement, the input statement is simple. That means that whenever this code is running, it will first of all print this. It will not ask the user. It will require a user to input. If a user does not input any value, it will not run. Are you getting it? Then let's try now. Let's do something more. Let's do something dramatic now and see what happens. We'll first of all tell the user, welcome. I will help you calculate. Are you getting it? So then then the next one will have what? We will now tell the user input x. If I this thing now will make the okay, let's go. Then input y. Then I will now tell the computer, please print the result for me. Print. Let me say let result equals s multiplied by y. Then print result for me. Are we there? So if I run this code, see what will happen. If I run the code, see what will happen. It will first of all print this thing for the user. Welcome, I will help you calculate. Okay, let me show. Please input two numbers. Just for us, I just want us to make something dramatic, nothing much. Welcome, comma. Hope the grammar is correct. Welcome, comma. Help you calculate. Please input two numbers. Okay, let's execute this. Let's execute it and see what happens. Have you seen it now? It will tell him, hello world, welcome, I will help you calculate. Please input two numbers. Are we getting it now? That means the computer simply printed what is here, this place. Then if I put any number, which number should I put? 1. 31. If I put 31 here, 31, I press enter. It will require another number, isn't it? Which other number should I put now? Let me say 70. I put. Have you seen it's calculated it automatically for us? Are we together? So now one other thing, if I want to assign a variable, see what will happen. This thing I assign to this input now, or during anything the let we are using since, or the input you are using, we are assigning a number. A number, because These things are called an integer. If I want to assign a string, remember what I told you, that anything in quotes is called a string, right? A text. If I want to add a text to this thing now, I will use what we call a dollar sign before the variable. Dollar sign. So let's see what happens now. Let's try an example. Example. Let me say, uh, let me clear this. Let me say that we want to do A is for what? Apple. Let's do A for apple, for instance. Now. Whenever we A, apple. What is the spelling of apple? Let's say B is for what? B is for ball. And now, if I run this thing, what will happen? If I run this thing, what will happen? Nothing will happen because I have not printed anything. Let's try now. Nothing will happen. It won't do anything because nothing is executing. Are you getting it now? Let me uh, let me end the program. It will keep on doing like this. Why? Nothing will be executed. Are you getting it now? It will not execute anything. So let's try it again. Let's try it again. Let a string equals can you see now? Can you see? If I print this thing now, but if I write only A at this point, it will flag error.